guys, today I have another luxury baby item to share with you all, and this one is for Binxy baby. It's a shopping cart hammock. Now you guys may have a toddler and a newborn, and it's very difficult to have two car seats on one trolley. So you'll put your toddler to sit into that trolley, but you'll use the hammock to actually put your baby in, and it's very comfortable and very luxurious. So I'm going to be going to the supermarket. We're going to be testing this out. Let me come closer so you all can see. So we're going to be testing this out. It's a very nice material. It was sent to me from Binxy baby, so I'd like to say a special thank you to them. And as you can see, you can put more than one of these into the cart, and you can even use it to put the car seat, to hold the car seat. It folds up really easily and it's very portable. It holds an infant up to 50 pounds with the car seat. So you can see the baby is very secure there. So I'm going to be testing this out. I'll tell you guys what I think. Now with this product, you can choose from a range of colors. So whichever one best suits your need, and this is the one that I went with. So stay tuned, let's test out this and I'll tell you guys what I think.
So to use this, you need to attach both of the plastic pieces to either side of the shopping cart, and you will take that strap and attach it through that hole and then stick it on the Velcro side. This is going to make sure that it's nice and tight and secure for that baby. You'll do the same for the other side. It actually locks into place once you press that down, and then you'll use the Velcro again to secure it. Once secure, then you can put the baby in. And guys, you know I don't have a baby, but for demonstration purposes, Aria, my doll, is going to help us out here. So we're going to put her in here and put the feet through, and you're going to tighten on the security straps on both sides to tighten and secure that baby in place. And once you're finished doing that, your baby is ready to go shopping with you. Their head isn't touching that metal part of the shopping cart. It's actually really safe, really secure. The material is really luxurious and I really like it. So for those of you all who have a baby and a toddler, this is such a great idea. The baby goes in the trolley like this and the toddler can sit up top. So if you guys are interested in this product, which I highly recommend, if it suits your lifestyle, the information to purchase will be down below in the description box. I would like to say a special thank you to Binxy baby for sending me this product. I really like it and I'm going to be gifting it to someone really special. So thank you all for watching, and please remember to check out binxybaby.com to get your product. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.